This is an assessment of your anterior core, your ability to stop yourself moving backwards, basically. On your first rep, you do a good job, but we do move slightly backwards. Here, we're cueing you to shrug and elevate your shoulder girdle before retracting. We get you to pull your hips through into extension and then lean the weight forward into the toes. Now, when you press the plate out with a big breath into the abdominals, you can feel that bracing sensation. That's the sensation we want to achieve anytime we're stiffening the spine for maximal load. So we've got a plate press here from Becca. She's doing a great job getting herself up overhead with a little bit of a shrug and absolutely no lean back. This from the girl who complained of shoulder pain for months and months and months. So we've got a plate press here from Becca. She's doing a great job getting herself up overhead with a little bit